Felix.
Do you believe boot camps are a legitimate threat to the undergraduate degree?
I don't think they are. I published a piece recently arguing that boot camps are largely complementary to four-year undergraduate education. What we do in the four-year degree is really not about getting the first job, and it's really not about your first-order skills. It's a lifelong investment that you're making in foundational skills and knowledge that enables your success throughout your life. Of course, in order to be on the road to that success, you need to get a first job. And that's where I see boot camps coming in, being really tied into industry needs, employer needs. It's really hard when your model involves lots of committees and 2 years of planning to add a new degree or add a new program. So that's sort of what boot camps are able to do. They're able to switch in courses, switch out courses really quickly and be really responsive. I think what the ideal solution might be for a learner today would be some mashup of the foundational critical thinking, communication, collaboration skills that are really inherent in the four-year degree with the technical training that's really tied to the labor market. So what we did through a new partnership that we call Coursera for Duke was made available all the content, which is mostly in the professional areas of technology, data science, stats. So a Duke student or staff or faculty member goes to Coursera and is recognized as a Duke user and can take any of our courses. We've positioned them as co-curricular, ungraded, and really intrinsically motivated learning experiences that students can add in to their formal education and balance out the work that they're doing on campus with these really timely, labor market sensitive, in-demand skills that we know employers want.